Hi students, welcome to SPRedutech. Today we're going to see about a new content, that is brain eating amoeba, which is present in news. Let us understand what is it in the news and why it is so very important. Actually, in South Korea, it is reported first man has died and infected by a so-called Naegleria fowleriae, which means a brain eating amoeba. Let us understand what is this Naegleria fowleriae. So actually, it is an amoeba and only one of the species called Naegleria fowleri cause infect humans. So here it can infect humans, and the microorganism can first discovered in Australia in 1965, and it was really found in warm fresh water bodies such as hot springs, rivers and lakes. How it will be infecting the human, let us understand that. So here amoeba enters the human body through the nose and through travels through the brain. See the process. So it will be entering through the nose and travels through the brain, and this happens someone dips their head in a fresh water body. If you are dipping your head in your fresh water body, this amoeba slowly enters through the nose and it will be entering into your brain. And this in some cases people get infected when they clean their nostrils with contaminated water. So if a water which is contaminated with this amoeba will be entering into your nose. And also there is no evidence of spreading of Naegleria fowleriae, which means through water vapor or aerosols or droplets, which means it is directly from the water it is spreading, but it is not spreading through any other modes like water vapor, aerosols, all sneezing, these things. And also here let us see the effects. After entering the human brain, this microbe destroys the brain tissues and causes a dangerous infection known as the primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, and also PAM we call as. The symptoms will be, first sign of PAM will be visible within 1 to 12 days, which means after infection it will take 12 days for your visibilities. The symptoms of this meningitis are headache, nausea and fever, and later it will affect and it will stick into the stiff neck, seizures, hallucinations and even coma. Mortality, if you consider, the infection spreads rapidly over a causing death and also about 5 days. The fatality of infection is as such that only 4 have survived out of 154 reported individuals in the US, which means the mortality rate is high and the survival rate is very less. Treatment, if you come to the treatment of this disease, there is no effective treatment related to this, and also it's not identified. And also at present treat it with a combination of drugs, so including the amphoteric B and azithromycin, fluconazole, rifampicin, miltefosine and dexamethasone. So and also here there is a rise of infections of this. Scientists believed that due to rising global temperature, the chance of getting the Naegleria fowleriasis infection will go up, as the amoeba may thrive in the warm fresh water bodies. Heat wave conditions are also allow the amoeba to thrive, as they have shown a survivability in high temperatures up to 46 degrees and more. This is what is special about this amoeba, and which is a brain eating amoeba, which is presently in the news. Let us understand the more content related to your current affairs and also here which is useful for your UPSC. So kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. This is me SPR signing off. Have a nice day for more updates.